What is the problem? Expressive use of consonant sounds. Hi, Chris. You're going to be playing the Bach D minor Courant for us. Why don't you play just a few measures and show us what you bring to this piece?
All right.
Bravo, thank you. Very, very nice. Great thing to work with. We've been talking about consonant sounds and a different continuum of consonant sounds that starts with soft consonant sounds like an L or an H or an M, and then it goes to progressively harder sounds like a B or a P or a D or a T or a K. And so in addition to the vowel sounds that you're producing so nicely on this, I think we could think about the consonant sounds. So in the first two notes, I'm not going to play them because I don't want to give it away. Are those going to be hard or soft consonant sounds on the first two notes?
I feel like it would be softer.
Okay, so like a ba-ba?
Like a ba-ba, yeah.
I like them as a little bit harder consonant sounds, and it's just a matter of taste. I think with more like a ta,
Yeah.
not a ka necessarily, but like a ta or a pa, I think we'd make it more exciting. So we can try the first two notes with a pa or a ta.
Okay.
I really like that.
Yeah.
Then I would separate out. So it might be ta da ba 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 or
Okay.
ta da 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 ta ta ba da da da.
Ta ta ba ba da.
Yeah, easy for you to say. Let's try it. Great, great. So what part of our arm system is going to be producing these consonant sounds?
I feel like the more of the you get it more from your back, your shoulder.
Okay,
Bigger parts
good.
of the arm.
You will benefit by watching our videos because we talk about consonants being produced at the end of the process. Just like when I speak, the consonants are produced by my lips and teeth and tongue.
Okay.
So
yeah.
the consonants are probably not produced from our back.
No.
They're probably produced from our hand.
Okay.
So my hand is going to be more engaged and all that kind of stuff on these. So try that. Great, I like that. So we've got, so that might be ba da ka. Does that make sense? So
Yeah.
Try it again. Good. So we've got plenty of weight. We almost have to soften it because you've got your whole arm for those three notes. Try again. It's all right. Okay, so we're going to go ka-ka, ba-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-ba, ba-da-ka. Right? Can you try that? Wow. You know what I haven't done yet
Yeah.
on these videos? Can I give you a handshake? This goes out to Kyle Armbrust, a fantastic student that I had when he was very young. He did something really amazing, and I gave him a handshake. He was like 5 years old at the time, and I was like, "Hey, Mr. Slowik gave me a handshake." That was great. Well done. Well done. Did you feel how easy that was?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So, yeah.
after this, after that big explosion, the next notes don't need much consonant sound. La la la. La 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 la. So we have a little no consonant sound. Or a very soft consonant sound. Okay. Let's try those guys.
Yeah.
Great. So after this, Chris,
Yeah.
it's hard to play. We have to take all the guts out of our arm. Can you try that with the chord? Good. Great. This is a ba. It's got a big vowel sound. Then pa. Ka.
Yeah.
Try that. Good. This ma, it might be a ma. Since this is a soft consonant sound, it doesn't come from our hand, it comes from our back. Try it. Good Good for you. So concentrate, set. Well done. Okay, so let's recap all of that. La. Right?
Yeah.
Your turn. Great. So this is an illustration of using consonant sounds to really shape the phrase. We've talked about bow geometry. In some senses, there's also bow geometry. It's how to use the bow. It's taking what we are hearing, putting it through a filter so we analyze what is it that I want to sound like, actually, and then knowing the physical tools that we use to get it. I was super impressed by that. I like how you play this piece already, and I think if you can add these very specific consonant sounds to it, I think you'll really like the results. Good job, Chris.
Thank you.